Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to allow permission in Samsung. If you deny the storage permission, an application that needs to use device memory won't run properly. In that case, you have to allow permission from device settings. So first, open the settings. At the very first, you have to open the settings app on your Android device. You can get the settings app from the application menu. Also, you can access settings from the notifications panel. Step 2. Open an application settings. You have to find the application settings within the settings app. It will allow you to modify different settings related to the apps. Step 3. Select app to allow permission. After that, you have to select the app that you want to allow storage permission. There will be an option for app permission. You just need to touch on this to access storage permission. Step 4. Enable storage permission. You have to mark the storage permission box to allow access. You may need to confirm the operation to apply it. Simply touch on the Allow option to proceed, and it will enable storage permission in Android. And last, step 5, launch the application. Finally, your application will be ready to work properly. To test it, you can run the application. This time, you won't see anything notification asking for storage permission. From now on, you can use the application conveniently without facing any issues. And that's all. That's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.